Good morning, everyone. Today, the March 4, 2022. We look it on the board. We can see SP 500 drop 23 points, means 0.53%. Dow Jones drop 96.69. That's mean around 0.29%. And SP 500, although Russell, everyone kind of drop a little bit today, but it's like we can tell Tesla, Amazon or Facebook, Microsoft, Google, a lot of them is dropping. So, and good morning all traders again. And here is 7 a.m. Central Time, and we can tell, and US dollars getting up like 98 point, almost like 100, and in energy part, we can see this 109.9 is almost $1, 110 for the oil, and the gold getting up like $1,949 for the gold, and I say they will be around $2,000 for the gold very soon. That's mean dollar getting up, oil getting up, and gold up. And the market a little swing down a little bit, but when they back up, they fly really, really much, because the whole world is, when they invest money, they invest to the US. And you can read on the board, as mean the total, the whole keyword is the crude oil is higher. And which company when you invest to any company in the US oil, US energy, gas, you make good profit. And especially with my recommendation is, like, I share my thought then. So ET, electric transfer, and NOG is with me are the best. And BP, BP is, like everyone know it, PP or Shell, and Costco is a good one too, because Costco, every American live in America goes to Costco or Sam. But the people who I know go to Costco a lot, even though myself still go to Costco a lot. And here is the best news for today. Sony and Samsung will be a good friend together to what? To make an EV car, electric vehicle. So Honda and Sony is going to do a big challenge a little bit. And whoever holding a share, you can tell they drop around 4 or 5%. Because what? In their root money, they invest out to make something new. That means they losing a little bit right now. Because think about that. If you have $1 million in your house, and when you in your bank and you want to buy a house, like 200,000, and how much you have left? 800. When you want to make something, you have to lose something first. Then make something, get profit later. So weight remover, steel, mining, ETF, and we can see all on the boards, like the percent, which part in the sector is going to much higher. And this one is, I call them like the stable, the wallet nation, and utility always, because everyone have to use it. And the most going down is board cash, retail restaurant, wireless equipment, auto oil, and the technology, gaming, computer, auto oil, international, engage, and internet software, though the company is the most down for today. It's better, don't touch it. If they wait to then drop them more than 20% and you can buy it, because that's going to be your profits later, and especially in the INDO or MNICISO and OWS and EOS is getting up a little bit, and some of them drop. You can screenshot and take a look and do some research again, because usually I just get the video around 10-11 minutes every day. I don't have time to pull every detail of each stock out. I just give you the general look for the overview for a day and what stock we can buy. And this one is AMR really good, TECK is really good, GSM's good, and though it's a good stock, go ahead and buy it and jump them out. This is, I recommend for people just TD for today. It's not buy for C, because if you buy for C with this one, that's not a very good idea. So today I give out 3 stock, like really, really stable and strong. That's a blur of America. That's a part of America. It cannot move. I can tell, like, I can give them a nickname. It's like the king stock of America. Why? Because I give out like 3 stock for today. The first one is Tesla. Tesla is the king of the EV car, and the king of the space, and the king of intelligent and powerful in Earth right now. It's a little expensive, but you can buy by the percent. Go ahead and set them up. Low you can. It's going to drop more, around 800 or lower than 800. I believe everyone make really, really good money, and I set up around 800 down. Every order, $20. $20 different every order, because this is big stocks. Have to buy that much different in order to make pretty good profit. And everyone knows Tesla was $1,243 a share. That's the highest one, and the lowest one is $539. That's a pretty good number. And they range around $832 to $878. Wow, that's $46 rotation. And right now the cap is $882 billion. The cap was over $1 trillion. And right now he invests, the CEO invests in doing a lot of stuff, just building a lot of new company, and especially is a big one in California. Hopefully, California governments and governor knows and should treat Tesla well. Otherwise, he move and you guys lose a lot of jobs and a lot of tax credit. I don't live in California, and so. But hopefully California know how to do things as well as I thought. So the second company is DWAC. DWAC is the king of the politics right now. I can tell. Nobody going to buy like CNN or NBC or anything else, because the true news is Xperia on the iOS and Android system, and it's going to be open, because right now it's kind of like filtered, like slowly. Everyone knows. It's the highest one is 175, lowest one's 9, and every day is around $5 to $10 rotation. Yesterday, you can see 95.5 to 122. You guys remember like 3 weeks ago, I told you guys buy this one since it was 70 some, and I say it's going to be over $100, and this become true. You know, some people say, oh, you know it before you get rich. I'm sorry for that. But your knowledge is make you rich. And something, and I read somewhere, you know, try to be rich. Do not try to look rich. That's the best. So AMC is the king of the movie in America. Everywhere, if you live everywhere in America, you will go to AMC at least one time in your life. And you will see it. They make pretty good money, profit. And that's a big corporation company. So they got good rotation. So have a good day and see you guys tomorrow.